In this video, let's see how to get the covariance table using Excel. If you want to understand the covariance between the each column, between covariance between the each column, you can identify or get it by the simple data analysis tool, that is covariance table. So how to get it? Before that, what is covariance? Covariance, that number will give you an idea about the in which direction the data are moving. If that is more than 0, that is told that the data are moving in a positive direction. If the covariance is negative, that means that is moving in a negative direction. For example, if the relationship between the age and the average price, the covariance is positive number, that means when age is increasing, average price is also increasing. If the covariance between these two are giving the negative number, that means when the age is increasing, this is decreasing. So the covariance gives the direction of the curve between the selected data or the column. So how to do it? In order to get the data analysis covariance, you have to go to data tab, then hit data analysis toolpack. Here you have covariance. Click on that, hit OK. Then it asks you to select your range of, I want the covariance of whole table. So I select the whole table, control shift down. The whole table is selected. Then I will take for label in the first row because I have the heading of the column. Then I want the result in a new worksheet. Then I hit OK. So it gives the table of covariance between each two variable, like crime age and crime rate. Here is the covariance index, and the age, here is the covariance. So it gives the covariance between each and every data in my table. So by looking at the number, there are many numbers are there because the column numbers are many. So in order to in by just looking at the table number, I can't understand which is positive covariance, which have the negative covariance. So in order to find out easily, I will do color condition of this. I will select this range, then go to home tab. Here you have the conditional formatting. I use the greater than because the covariance, the more than 0 showing positive covariance, means it positive direction of the curve. The negative covariance means less than 0 showing negative. So I will select the condition. Here I have greater than 0. So if the number is greater than 0, I will fill it with green. Okay, green. Okay, then I do again conditional formatting, less than 0, less than 0. Okay, it's filled with red. So here you can easily identify that here the covariance between the age and the average room is negative. It means when it is increasing, when one variable is increasing, another will decrease. So it only gives the degree, it only give the direction of the curve is when you do the curve of the, for example, I will tell you, if this is showing a positive, means the average room. In this example, for average room and average price is giving positive direction, means here the covariance is positive. So what it means is when we do the curve of this and this, it will show positive, like this upward slope. So it means that when the average price is increased, when number of room is increasing, when the number of room is increased, average price will increase. So it have the positive direction. I will show it by the graph average room, and like here in my data I will select the average room and average price. Then I go to insert tab, then here I scatter plot. So this is my data. So when I add a trend line to this, so it is showing positive curve, not like this. Here the moving upward. Means when the average room is increased, the average price is also increasing. So this information you can understand using the covariance between the data. So before doing analysis, you have to see this table. You will get the little idea about how the data is in your table. So this is the use of covariance. Thank you.